Number 3. Given that minus 111 base 2 plus y base 2 is equals to 11011 base 2, find the value of y. Solution. Now we have minus 111 base 2 plus y base 2 is equals to 11011 base 2. Now, for us to solve this is just like an equation. What I'm going to do is to collect the light term first. Collecting the light term, what will I have? I will have y base 2 is equals to what? I'll move this to the right hand side. And once I move this one to the right hand side, it will turn to what? It will turn to plus, because we are having minus here. So I will have 11011 base 2 plus 111 base 2. So you can see, coming to the right, it will turn to plus. Now we are having addition. At this point, we are going to apply the principle of addition of binary numbers here. But I'm not going to use the first method. I'm going to use another method now, which is the second method. And this method involves converting each term to base 10. Converting each term at the right-hand side to base 10. Then we now convert the result, the total result, back to base 2. Let me do that now. Now, from the right-hand side, I have, so this is y base 2 is equals to, converting now, I'm going to convert this. This is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Then 0, 1, 2. Now, this can be written as what? 1 times 2 raised power 4. Then I will have what? Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3. Then I will have plus 0 times 2 raised power what? 2. Then I will have plus 1 times 2 raised power what? 1. I will now have what? 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. This for the first one. Then plus, what will I have? This is going to be from the back. Take note. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 times 2 raised power 2. Then I will have 1 times 2 raised power what? 1. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. Now, it means y base 2 is the same thing as what? 2 raised to the power of 4. 1 times 2 raised power 4. What is 2 raised power 4? 16. 16 times 1, that's 16. Plus, now, 1 times 2 raised power 3. 2 raised power 3 is what? That is 8. 8 times 1, that is 8. Plus, any term with 0 is what? That's 0. So this is 0. This one is 0. Then for this, 1 times 2, that is 2. Then 2 raised to the power of 0 is what? Is 1. 1 times 1, that is 1. Then this is going to be what? Plus. Now, 1 times 2 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 2, that's what? That is 4. So 1 times 4, that is 4. Plus, now, 1 times 2 raised to the power 1. What will I have? That's 2 plus 2 raised to the power 0. That is what? 1. 1 times 1. Then I will have 1. Adding. This is going to be y base 2 equals to 16 plus 8. That's 24. Then 24 plus 0, that is 24. Plus 2, that is 26. 26 plus 1, that's 27. 27 plus, now 4 plus 2, that is 6. 6 plus 1, that is 7. So this will give us what? 27 plus 7, that is 34. And this is in base 10. Now, what we are going to do is to convert 34 base 10. You can see the addition of this now, these two, in base 10, give us 34 base 10. But our answer is expected to be in base 2 because y is in base 2. So we need to convert 34 base 10 to base 2. Now we are going to do that. We convert. Then this is 34. We now divide. 34, so we divide by 2. 34 divided by 2, what will I have? That's 17. Remainder what? 0. Then divide by 2 again. 17 divided by 2, what will I have? 8. Remainder what? 1. Because 2 times 8 is what? 16. Take away 16 from 17. We have 1 left. So dividing by 2. 8 divided by 2, what will I have? 4. Remainder what? 0. Divide by 2 again. 4 divided by 2. 2 remainder 0. Then 2 divided by 2, I will have 1 remainder 0. Then dividing by 2 again. 1 divided by 2 is 0 remainder 1. Don't forget. So we take this from the bottom to the what? To the top. So take note. So we write this as what? 1. So it means that y will now be equals to what? What will you have? 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Then we have what? 1, then 0. So it means that the value of y is now 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. That is y base 2 is equals to 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 base 2. That is the solution to the problem.